Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC. In this video, we are going to see about Password Manager in Organizer for Salesforce extension. If you are a developer, you need to maintain credentials of many orgs like Sandbox, Production and Development orgs. It will be tedious to maintain if orgs gets increased. Password Manager will help you to resolve that issue. Now, go to the Organizer for Salesforce. This is the window for Organizer. If you click the New button, it will ask for some details for login credential. Name is for display purpose. And username. It is your Salesforce username and password. Login URL. Whether it can be production, sandbox, developer or others. Landing page. In landing page, you can give home or setup page or other pages. Token is not necessary and login token is if only if it is required you have to give. And if you click create button with the details, it will be created. Let me show which is I created already. Go to the settings. Here, this is the username of my Salesforce ID and this is the password and all other details I have given here. After creating it, you can also update the value after changing it. If you click this button, it will create a new tab and automatically will allow you to log in to your org. This is Open Developer Console. If you click this button, it will be created a new tab and your developer console will be opened automatically. If you want to open the same org in a new window, click this button. If you want to open it in incognito mode, you can click this button. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.